Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saifullah from Sktacademy.com. In this video, I will show you how a door tool works. So for the door tool, you must have a wall. So I will draw a wall first. In previous two videos, we discussed about wall tool, so you can watch it if you don't know about its settings. I will draw a wall. Press escape. Now I will select door tools. So from type selector you can select types of door. If you can see, this is the type of door. It's single flush, and then its size is 30 inches by 80 inches, 36 by 84. So I want another type of door in my drawing. So for this I will edit type, and you also can duplicate it and make a copy of it and then change its dimension, etc. We'll do it later. So I will load a family, load, and here I will have to select door folder. So few types: single glass, single panels, different types you can select. So I will select single panel. This will be our door type. It will have different dimensions like a single flush has. So I will open it. It will take a bit of time. Now I will cancel it. If you want, you can cancel it, or you can see its dimensions here. So single flush, and then edit type, load, and then go to doors and select one of your type, and then OK. Again OK. So here we have for single flush we have single panel, and you can see its sizes. So that's how you can select different type of families. Now you can draw it in any view, and if you want you can put it in 3D view also. I will do it later. So if you want it inside or outside, by mouse you can select. Another cool thing, you can flip it by space tool. Press space, so you can flip it. On this side also you can flip it. So that's the cool thing. Revit gives you an opportunity, an option to flip your door easily by space tool. Press the space key. So that's how you can put your doors in your model. Now another thing you can see here, it's still height. If you see it in 3D view, so it begins from 0 0. I want my door to be above our level, like 1 feet, 6 inches, 2 feet. So I will go back to level 1, and now select door tool, and you can give it a height of still height. So I will give it a 1 feet. I will apply it, and now place a door anywhere you want. I will place it here and go to 3D view. So that's how you can give a still height of 1 feet. You also can change it later if you want, so I will give it again 0 and then I will apply it. So that's the still height of a door. I will switch back to level 1. Now I will do some more modification in my door. So go to door family, and now uh, edit your type. You can see here by default its sizes are 36 by 84, so I want it 40 by 90 or something. You can change its height, its width if you want. So I will duplicate it, for example my door sample. Okay, remember again I am telling you that if you want to make changes in your family, in your tools, so make a duplicate of it, so your original object will remain the same. That's okay. Now you can change its dimension from 2 inches to also you can change its height from 7 feet to 8 feet, for example, and its width will be 4 feet. I want trim width, and these you can play with them anytime if you want. So I made changes in height and width. There's I'm making it simple for you to understand. Otherwise you can make changes always in any of the dimension. So our height will be 8 feet and our door width will be 4 feet. Okay, now you can see the difference. I will press space and click here. So our door is placed. Now go to 3D view, and sorry, our still height will be 0. You can change it later. So our door height is 8 feet, height is 8 feet, and our door width is 4 feet. That's how cool thing Revit gives you an opportunity and tools to make changes anytime in your model. And Revit gives you a variety of doors. I will select another type from here, edit type. I will load it. You also can change its material, door panels or door frame. So later in the project we will change it. So I will load another type, doors, and I'll select this type, open it. So that's how Revit gives you the variety of families. You also can download more families from internet if you want. So that's our third family type, and its width, height you can change it. I already did it. I will duplicate it again. I will give it 5 feet, sorry, rename 5 feet, and multiply its height will be 8, so I will give it 96. So 96 inches. Okay, I'm giving it a name, or I'm giving it a name of 8 feet, 5 feet and 8 feet. 5 feet its width and 8 feet will be its height. Now you will have to change it to 8 feet and width will be 5 feet. So that's how you can make changes in a family. Now I will press OK. And you can flip it anytime if you want. So I will click here to place my door. Again I am doing something wrong. I will Ctrl Z and I will give a height of 0. Now I will click here to place my door and press space to flip it. I will switch back to 3D view to see our door. So that's it. I hope you will enjoy watching my videos. I am making it simple to understand, that our student will understand it easily. That's why I'm making it easy and simple. So do like my videos, subscribe my channel, like it and share it. See you in next videos. Bye.